Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Amy. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video, what I wanted to show you or send your way was a little bit of how you could increase the value of your company and rank a little bit better online with Google, or how that exposure would work. I'll go over three key factors that you need to rank your business. That would be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, of course, we understand just the basics. Every time we type something here into Google in the search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization, or SEO. And, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or the phrase that's being typed in here, and then categorizes those websites based on their content. This is how you establish the rank factor. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So because you're a plumbing factory or a business, plumbing business in Raleigh, I typed in plumber Raleigh. Of course, we have ads. Another ad, you are right here on the top of the map. That's awesome. That's amazing. That's a lot to do with the Google Business Profile, your area of coverage, the citations you have. Citations are name, address, and phone number that are connected to you. It has a lot to do with reviews, photos. Excellent, excellent. Underneath the map is your organic rank structure, or how the website would rank organically. And typically that comes into content and backlinks. Now, Angie, it's an advertising that doesn't count. Schwartz Plumbing is here. That is an organic rank. And we have Midtown. So I chose number 3, Midtown, for this little example here. I wanted to show you what's going on. So I have the website, CK's Plumbing and Backflow, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs kind of gives me a behind the scenes on what's going on with the website and how it's ranking. Now, 386 backlinks. Now remember, backlinks are important for the rank structure. It's where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust and popularity in your business. Keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. You wouldn't necessarily want a landscaper or Pizza Hut down the road, their website linking back to you. It's not going to carry as much weight and power as another plumbing facility or plumbing contractor referring back to you through their websites and their domains. 50 referring domains from this, and it looks like we have 4 keywords generating 2 views of traffic per month. So that's a little bit of an issue, honestly. Let me show you how this works. I took the competitor number 3, Midtown Plumbing, put him into the same tool that I have, 785 backlinks, 56 referring domains. I think the driving factor here is the 237 keywords that he has built within his content, and that's generating 529 views a month in traffic. So, content and keywords play a big role with what people are searching for in the search bar, and this is how this kind of works. So, per month, the volume that a particular phrase or word is typed in and searched for services somebody's looking for. So, plumbing Raleigh is searched 1,000 times a month. Plumber Raleigh, North Carolina, 700. Plumbing Raleigh, 250. Plumbing service Raleigh, 100. Raleigh plumber, 200. Plumber Raleigh again, 300. Raleigh plumbers, 200. So you can understand right here, collectively, once this is added together, that is generating a lot of exposure to the business website when the content and the keywords are put together and the site is built to be recognized through search engine optimization, excuse me, in what customers are looking for. Now, all the keywords that this particular customer or company has, you can have these keywords and then some. You can have all the same backlinks that he has and then some. These aren't proprietary to one person. It's solely how you connect the backlinks to you and what kind of content's in your site driving traffic towards you. So with that being said, you guys are in the maps. That's great. Maybe a little tweak in the website to generate some more traffic. You're leaving a lot of money on the table there. Once content, backlinks, Once this stuff starts to come together, once the keywords come into play, and Google starts to recognize you as an authority and seeing that you're being endorsed and backed by some other backlinks and some other websites with the right content as well, it really starts to drive home. It starts to change the rank factor. You guys are doing excellent being right there on the map. Be even stronger if you put yourself up into the first page. Sometimes customers like to verify that. They'll see the ad, then they'll say, then they'll check the map, and they'll say, oh, okay, and then they'll want to see it again. You know, most people don't go past the first page of Google. So I just want to reach out, spread some of this to you. I hope you can appreciate it, maybe have a better understanding of what's going on. Maybe you weren't even aware of what was going on internally with your website and how that was affecting you. Should you have any more questions, comments, and you'd like to talk, I would be more than happy. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this. I appreciate it, and have a good day.